Hello, welcome to Onlive Server. So today in this short video tutorial I will be telling you about the various VPS plans that our company is offering right now globally. So just go to any browser and type onliveserver.com. So this is the basic website of our company. You can just scroll it down and you can read the various informations that are mentioned on our website. Here you can also open these all various links to get a short information about all these services. Now these are the various payment options. Here you can see that which we are accepting right now. So you have wide variety of options to pay for any product that you are purchasing from us. Just scroll it up, go to the dashboard and click on all VPS servers. So here you can see that we have a service of to around 35 globally plus countries across the world, okay, starting from USA to Australia. So in this video series I am telling you about the various Israel VPS hosting plans. Just go to this and click on view plans. So this is the page, dedicated page for Israel VPS. Here you can see that there the plan X I had already told you, plan Y also I had already told you. Now this is the plan Z. So now what is in plan Z? So plan Z is what this is somewhat of higher configuration than plan X and plan Y. Now what you have to do, this plan Z will cost you around $149. Just you go here and click on buy now. See here, as soon as you click on buy now, this is Israel VPS Server Z and these are the plan details. Okay, so what are these technical details? It's like the server name, the processor is of 4 core, the memory is of 4 GB RAM, storage is 120 GB, bandwidth is unlimited, dedicated, that is you get one dedicated IP, network is of 20 Mbps, hypervisor is of KVM architecture, and operating system is of Windows and Linux. Okay, this is the billing cycle option, that whether you want to have your billing cycle set as monthly, or you want to pay quarterly, or you want to pay semi-annually. Here I will suggest you, if you have a long-term usage of your VPS, then you can just go for quarterly, semi-annually or annually payment. Just leave this information blank and in hostname just enter any random alphabets. Okay, now what you can do, you can just scroll it down and here you can see the operating system. Operating system is off. If you want to go Linux, then here you can select the various flavors of Linux like CentOS, Ubuntu or Debian. Or if you want to have a Windows operating system, then you have to pay an extra $10 for the licensing cost. One dedicated IP you are getting. If you want to have an additional IP, then you can just select 1 or 2 additional IP at these following charges. Additional bandwidth, obviously you can have more bandwidth with more by paying more. The data center is located in Ashdod in Israel. And the control panel is like most of the control panels are free, starting from Zpanel to Webmin to CentOS web panel, but some panels like Plesk panel or Cpanel, they have some licensing cost which you have to pay if you're going for them. So this is your order summary page. You just check this will be your total amount. Then what you have to do, you have to just press on continue. As soon as you press on continue, now this page is forwarded to the checkout page. Now here you can see that I'm just deleting this server Y, and so now this is what the plan Z. Okay, this is Israel VPS plan Z. Now what you have to do, this is your order summary page. So you have to just click on this checkout. Okay, so as soon as you are clicking on this checkout option, here you can see that this is your final checkout page where you have to fill all your basic personal details and personal information. Now what you have to do, you have to just remember that you have to fill your email address very correctly, because your all mails will be redirected to this email ID, and if it is wrong then your server might get suspended in future. So just scroll it down. This is your total amount which we have to pay, and these are the various payment options. So you just click on any of the payment option which is suitable for you, and then you can just proceed and complete the order. So as soon as you click on complete order, your order will be completed and our technical team will receive all the details and they will fast track your the completion of your server. Okay, and if in this any process if you have any doubt, you can just click on this let's chat window and then you can have a chat with any of our chat representative. If you have any further queries, just comment it down, we will help you out. Thank you.